Moved to a new home or changed your name? If you're not sure how to update your information with Chase, you're not alone. Today, we're changing your address and personal details at Chase. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Keeping your information current ensures you receive statements, cards, and important account communications. The easy way: update online or in the app. Log into your Chase online banking or mobile app. Go to Profile and Settings, Personal Details, Address. Here you can edit your mailing address, email, and phone number. For legal name changes, visit a branch. If you've legally changed your name due to marriage, divorce, or other reasons, you'll need to visit a Chase branch with official documentation like a marriage certificate or court order. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: update your address before applying for new Chase products. If you've recently moved and plan to apply for another Chase credit card or loan, update your address on your existing accounts first. This ensures your application is processed correctly and helps with approval. So, just like that, you can keep your Chase account information accurate and secure. Regular updates go a long way in preventing delivery issues and potential fraud alerts. Now I'm curious, do you still receive paper statements from Chase, or have you gone fully digital? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.